Hey, how you doing? My name is Jalen Woodall, and I attend the University of South Florida. This is my ePortfolio, as you can see on the welcome screen. This just gives you a little demonstration of just some of the things that I try to implement when dealing with physical education. This is a class that I have started at one of my facilities. A little things about me is my name is Jalen Woodall, an aspiring life-changing physical education major who seeks to help educate students more about the vital importance of health and fitness. To acquire such great visualization advancement within this field, I researched and studied the importance of the human diet. Human physical interaction also correlates with this vivid visual. These two studies combined equals physical education. I reside in Tampa, Florida, where I was born and raised. I'm a big time Tampa Bay Buccaneers and Florida Gators fan. I love to travel and eat in different countries. I enjoy working with kids leading today's youth to help build character and identity within our young men. I aspire to become one principal leading a sparkling institution full of learners. I graduated from Georgia Military College, which is a top junior college football program. I'm currently a junior at the University of South Florida. Um, as you can see, as I go through my page, you can kind of visualize through my resume. High school in Temple Bay Tech, graduated National Honor Society, went to Georgia Military College. Um, it shows some experience that I have just working throughout with the youth as well. This is some of the things that I do when dealing with health and fitness. So kind of a couple of illustrations of whatnot with me working with, people within the physical education realm of things. And this is again another piece of evidence of some of the things that I have embedded within this field. So yeah, thank you for going over my blog and my post on my website. Have a great